Hi guys, I stopped at Michael's to see really what they had for Valentine's Day since we're a little less than a month out from that holiday, and was a little surprised to see that they have a huge amount of Easter stuff already and really not much Valentine stuff. So most of this video is going to be Easter stuff rather than Valentine's Day. And they have some really fun stuff. A lot of different wooden craft things, and then like the ceramic, like, plaster paint things that light up, and then some really cute garland. And these, they're like flocked eggs, flocked bunnies. They're not like velvet, they're like more of a fuzzy texture, but they had a very large variety of them. They actually have like bunnies too that we'll see in a little bit, but they have some really, really cute stuff. Those eggs have initials on them, or letters. These are eggs with fabric, and these are all sticks for like arrangements. So they have smaller eggs with flowers, and there's birds' nests there. Just a lot of really fun Easter and spring wreath decor ideas. These baskets are super cute. And they have these outdoor decorations, which I don't remember ever seeing. I think they're around $30. So those are cute. Some really pretty spring flowers and these cute wreaths. I like these tulip, like they're metal. Yes, they're for flower arrangements, but I thought they were really cute. They could just be like a catch-all bin or something for a table. So again, these don't all have to be for Easter per se. A lot of them can just be for spring. I liked those colorful bunnies lined up. It's a set. I mean, not a set, but it's all connected to each other. That's what it is. Some cute little egg trees. Those bunnies with the glasses are adorable. More wreaths, little cutouts. Here's more of the picks that they have for arrangements and wreaths. Just some really cute stuff that I haven't seen previously for Easter. These carrots were really cute, I thought. And they have the flowers with them. So you could come up with some really fun ideas, and there's like pictures of some ideas with the baskets and the bunny wreath. They look at these bunnies. They're so cute, and they're like a fuzzy flocked texture, and they have different sizes, so many different colors. I just thought they were so fun. Just adorable. I love the colorfulness of it. Plenty of ribbon for Easter and spring. And then they have some tableware for, like, I don't know, Easter parties, spring parties. If you're enjoying this video, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and like. It really helps me out, and I do appreciate your support. That Let's Do Brunch sign is cute, and that's something you could have out all the time. Those green bunnies are cute as well. I do love the floral themes they have going on. I love that butterfly. I thought it was so pretty. I kind of wanted to buy one, but I thought it was a little pricey. I'm going to wait until the Easter stuff goes on a better sale. Those are cute. Those were napkin rings. Look at those little bunnies with the flowers on their body. So cute. And these are like those foam flowers. Like they're made out of like a soft foam, like a craft foam, you know, like the different colored ones. So similar to that. They have a few different, they started that like a year ago or something, is when I remember seeing them for the first time. So they were missing quite a bit in the baking, like candy section for Easter. They have some candy making stuff and some kids craft things. And Stanley dupe cups, guys. I know everyone's probably all Stanley'd out, but every time I see a dupe out there, I try to make sure I get it on video so that I can share it with you in case you are looking for something similar but don't want to break the bank on it. So, yeah, these are like the fairy garden, like miniature garden accessories. They have some really cute stuff, and I had a hard time not buying. They had several different type of mushrooms like this, and I really wanted to buy some of them because I think they're really cute. But I don't have a place to put one of these miniature gardens, so I would have to like put them in with my tarantulas or something, which, you know, I don't think I need to do that. But they have really cute options if it's something that you like, you are interested in. I thought those are so cute. And this is a different line of stuff. I think it's new because I don't remember seeing it before. It's just more floral stuff, but kind of like a vintage look. And they have little macaron pillows. There's more of those foam flowers, just one big flower. Ooh la la. Those teapots are really cute. And more flowers. Now this is not spring necessarily, or like it seems like it could be like summer, but I really love the colors on these. It's like different colors. Each section's a different color or color combination, and I just thought it was fun. So it's kind of like Crayola, like crayons, you know, but it's obviously not crayons. So I just thought the colors were fun. I love colors, just all the colors. So I just thought it was fun, and I just did a little side shot so you could see the whole aisle. And they have the fake eggs again this year. They have wooden ones and white ones for you to decorate without having to use real eggs. Last year, I think those were really popular because the egg prices were really high last year from what I remember. So here's the little bit of Valentine's stuff that I saw. They don't have it in a main section anymore. It's just on like 3 of the little like aisle things. And they do have the basics though. They have you know, garland and wreath stuff, craft stuff, t-shirts, some of that. They have beaded garland, which I thought was fun. But I was surprised that there wasn't. I don't know. I expected Valentine's to be in the section where the Easter stuff was, but it just was not there. They don't have enough of it, I guess, or I'm not sure. They have stickers and like candy making stuff. They have some wax seals for letters, pot holders. Gift bags. I got my gift bags at Walmart because they were less than $1.25. I always want to get stuff to make candy, but I just feel like I wouldn't have the time. They did have a tiny bit of St. Patrick's Day stuff. So this was just one aisle display. And to be honest with you, I don't know whether they'll get any more St. Patrick's Day stuff or not, because I feel like Valentine's Day is a bigger holiday than St. Patrick's Day, and they only have like 3 of these displays. So if they only have one St. Patrick's Day display, that kind of makes sense. What do you guys think? Do you think that they'll get more St. Patrick's Day stuff? Let me know in the comments. So this is all the St. Patrick's Day stuff. And then the other thing that I thought was interesting is that Michael's has helium balloons now. So that's something new that I've not seen previously before at Michael's. There was a sign outside on the window, and then when I was leaving, I saw the helium tank and a little display of what balloons they have, like you see at the Dollar Tree. So thank you for watching.